Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. This is Digital Technologies. My name is Prince, and today we are going to look at the new earbud from Oraimo. This is the Oraimo Rhyme that comes with active noise cancellation, and today we are going to unbox this and check it out. So let's get straight into the video. Today we are going to be unboxing this Oraimo Rhyme, which comes with active noise cancellation. We are going to look at my first impression and my honest opinion about this earbud. As always, the packaging looks very neat, with all the features listed at the side. We are going to go through the features soon. The packaging is smaller than the FreePods Pro. As you can see, I'm comparing it side by side. The FreePods Pro is twice the size of the Oraimo Rhyme packaging. Let's unbox it and see what comes in the box. When you open the box, the first thing you see is the ports, USB Type-C cable for charging, the user manual with all the instructions and controls, and the extra ear tips for comfortability. Now let's look at what the ports have to offer. This thing feels so small and very solid. And it comes with a glossy finish. This looks so premium for the price that it comes with. It has an LED indicator at the front, it has a reset button at the back, and also a charging port at the side, and also the Oraimo logo boldly written at the top. It is slightly smaller and much lighter than the Oraimo FreePods Pro, which comes with a case. The Oraimo Rhyme ANC feels like a budget version of the FreePods Pro because they both have active noise cancellation and environmental noise cancellation. As I said earlier, this thing feels lighter and smaller than the FreePods Pro. When you open the lid, you are going to see the model number and the specifications. And you will see the left and right ports resting in the case. Note that it doesn't come with the fast Google pairing like the FreePods Pro. The first thing I noticed when using this earbud is that it's very light and comfortable in the ear. One surprising feature is that it has volume control right on the buds, and none of the Oraimo buds has that feature. The active noise cancellation and the environmental noise cancellation is also pretty good, but not as good as the FreePods Pro. And the gameplay mode is also near to perfect, but not perfect, so limit your expectations and you'll be okay with the product. On a full charge, it can last up to 6 to 6.5 hours with ANC off and up to 5 hours with ANC on. It uses Bluetooth version 5.2 and a range of 10 meters. The sound quality is very good, but not as good as the Oraimo FreePods Pro. But if you have been wanting to get the Oraimo FreePods Pro and you don't have enough fans or you don't have enough money, you can compromise for the Oraimo Rhyme because I think it's the budget version of the Oraimo FreePods Pro. It is fairly close to the FreePods Pro. I think it's just a smaller and compact version of the FreePods Pro. Don't get me wrong, the sound quality is not up to the FreePods Pro, but you are going to get one of the best sound qualities with this earbud. The price tag on this product is 315 Ghana cedis or almost 10,000 naira. That's all for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.